Hey guys, so I'm a bit in a rush right now. So it's actually June 12th today, 2026, and I'm getting ready to go to ToyCon day one. So follow me. So I was gonna try to find parking at my usual spots, but holy crap, I can't find parking, and that's on day one of ToyCon. So I think I gotta go park in the mall. I usually park either at NU or I park at usually SMX as well, but they're all so full today, and it's just a Friday. But then again, it's June 12th, and it's also Independence Day, so slightly expected. But damn, parking's so hard already on day one of ToyCon alone. So I don't know how we'll manage the next 2 days. So I just literally parked at the rooftop of the mall on June 12th for ToyCon day one. So we're literally here at the rooftop, see? So we're heading straight to SMX so that we can still make the best of our time. So we're heading there now. We just got here at ToyCon.
Ready.
Very hard parking, but we made it. We're here now. ToyCon at the background. Alright, let's get around. We're inside the SMX halls now. Very jam-packed, as you can see. First, the orders of business. I gotta go through the Image World booth first to get some things, then we'll go around ToyCon. We just got our stuff picked up here at the Image World booth. They print some very nice business cards, and they also do cosprints for certain cosplayers. Now I can go about my day around here in ToyCon doing whatever I want to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for some magic cards. Hello! ThunderCon talaga to. Dito may K-Zone na oh.
Nanakaw ka ng wallet.
Grabe yung mga dito. Red Roses. ThunderCon talaga to, dito ito. So I just finished ToyCon day one, and it may have been a tiring day, but it was a hella fun and tiring day. So there's still fun in it either way. And in the next few days, I'll be more focused on my time with the Star Wars groups, particularly with Fight Saber Philippines. We will be there at around the very beginning of the day, since our groups are honored that we get to be the ones to welcome the international guests that we have, as we are also part of the ribbon cutting ceremony for this coming Saturday. Then come Sunday, the lot of us will also be in costume, and we will also have stage time around 12 p.m. So for those who want to learn how to use a lightsaber, you guys are more than welcome to swing by day 3 of ToyCon around 12 p.m. for Fight Saber Academy. So I hope to see you guys this coming weekend, and I hope you guys by chance recognize me, since I will be wearing a mask this coming weekend. So that's most of it from me. See you guys in the next few days.